I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
All right, Professor Vinster here. Now, I don't know if you can see this. Put that up there. That's the bracket that I'm going to put in to be able to use this, I believe like this, yep, to hang this piece of cross-section of a tree. Seems to be a little bit loose. There we go. That's better. Tighter the better. Yep. Okay, good. Alright, let's do this again. Seems to be doing some bouncing around. Don't know why. And a lot of dust. Maybe I should have clamped it. Let's see here. Let's bring this up a bit. Let's bring this up. This isn't what you call your most expensive drill press. So I brought it in to show on the video, but might be making more of a mess than anything. We'll see what happens here. So far it's making a mess. That should do it. Make it nice and comfortable. Get the old trusty vacuum out. Okay, that's the hardener. Easy. We don't need a lot here. I always make a mistake of using too much. This one takes longer to come down. Come on. Here we go. There we go. Now, mix that up. Oops. Like it landed the way it did. I don't want it inside there. Stop the screw from attaching. Okay. We'll put that in there like that. Just like that. Now I do have holes that you could put screws in, but I'd rather not use the screws if I can avoid it. There we go. Not that this is going to make any difference, but there we go. And I'll let that dry up. So we got the unit on there. I don't know if you can see that. Not up there. So that just kind of slips down onto the screw on the wall that you put in. Now we're going to mix some more of this stuff up. Now this is that's the hardener. I try not to put the hardener in first. Try to do it the way it's supposed to be done. So probably need a little bit more. Not a lot. We have to pick up some more of this one. It's about 19 bucks at my local hobby shop. They're really good there for me, and they treat me well. How's that? And if there's a price online, what I do is I go there first and I try to see if they can beat it. Give them my business first if I can. This respect we have. Just want to make sure I know exactly where that is. Okay. Hope it's not overkill on the stuff. No, it should be alright. Like that. I could use the glue gun. Problem is with using the glue gun is if you hung this up in a storm, say near a window, the glue would probably loosen up. As I position this and make sure it's in the right spot. It's not in the right spot. Gotta make sure it's in the right spot. I'm going to clear coat this so I don't, moving it around ain't a big deal. I'm going to move it around a bit more. To me, but like that. Let's see. I think that'll do. Check. I think I like that. There. Oh, it's too far to this side. I'll make sure it's in there. Okay. There you go. So hopefully, goes like that. I got it okay. So that'll hang on the wall nicely. So I wanted to show you these units here. I printed these on the 3D printer, of course. That unit there. And it looks like that there. So that's what I use. And then when you put it down like on its end, the screw goes in the hole. I've made a whole bunch of those.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.